Picture this. It's the end of the month. You open your banking app. You check your balance. And after paying rent, groceries, subscriptions, and all the little things that somehow add up, you're left with almost nothing. Maybe $50, maybe $200 if it was a good month. And you think, okay, I need to start saving. But then next month comes, same thing happens. And the month after that, same thing again. Meanwhile, you keep hearing about people with $10,000, $20,000 sitting in savings, and you start wondering, how? How are they doing that on a normal income? Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. It's not about how much you earn. It's about having a system. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact realistic plan to go from $0 to $10,000 saved in the next 12 months, even if you've tried saving before and failed. My name is Nick. If you're someone who wants to finally build real savings, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why most people fail at saving. And it's not what you think. Most people believe they can't save because they don't earn enough. And look, income matters. But here's what most people don't realize. Studies show that as income increases, spending increases almost at the exact same rate. Think about that for a second. People earning $3,000 a month feel broke. People earning $6,000 a month feel broke. People earning $10,000 a month feel broke. The number changes, the feeling stays the same. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the #1 savings killer in the world. So the problem is almost never income. The problem is that most people save whatever is left over at the end of the month. And here's the brutal truth. There is almost never anything left over because spending expands to fill income every single time. So the entire saving strategy most people use is fundamentally broken from the start, and the fix is simpler than you think. Here's the shift that changes everything. Stop saving what's left. Start spending what's left. That one sentence is worth reading again. Stop saving what's left. Start spending what's left. This is called paying yourself first, and it is the foundation of every serious savings plan. Here's how it works. The moment your income hits your account, before you pay rent, before you buy groceries, before you do anything, a fixed amount automatically moves into your savings. You don't think about it, you don't decide, it just moves. Then you live on whatever remains. Now here's the math that makes this real. To hit $10,000 in 12 months, you need to save roughly $834 per month. That sounds like a lot, I know, but here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to find $834 in your budget. You have to build a system that makes $834 disappear before your brain notices it's gone. And that's exactly what the next steps are about. Let's break this down into a realistic step-by-step plan. Step 1. Find your actual number. Most people have no idea where their money goes. Not a rough idea, the actual number. Here's what I want you to do. Go through your last 30 days of spending. Every transaction, every subscription, every coffee, every random purchase. Categorize everything into 3 buckets. Needs, wants, wasted. Needs, rent, food, transport, utilities. Wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. Wasted, subscriptions you forgot about, impulse purchases you regret, fees you didn't notice. Most people find $200 to $400 per month in the wasted category alone. Money leaving their account that they don't even miss. That's your first savings source. Step 2. Set your automatic savings target. Once you know your numbers, set up an automatic transfer for the day after your salary arrives. Start with whatever you found in step 1. Even if it's $200, even if it's $100. The amount matters less than the automation. Because here's the thing about willpower. It is not a reliable saving strategy. Willpower runs out. Automation doesn't. Step 3. Cut one thing from each category. This is where most savings advice gets preachy. Stop buying coffee. Cancel Netflix. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying pick one thing from your wants list that gives you the least enjoyment per dollar. Maybe it's a streaming service you watch once a month. Maybe it's a gym membership you haven't used since January. Maybe it's a food delivery habit that costs 3 times what cooking would cost. One cut, not 10, just one. For most people, one honest cut frees up $50 to $150 per month. Step 4. Create a savings ladder. Here's where the plan gets interesting. Instead of trying to save $834 from day one, use a monthly ladder. Month 1 and 2 save $400 per month. Month 3 and 4 increase to $600 per month. Month 5 and 6 push to $750 per month. Month 7 through 12 lock in $900 per month. Total across 12 months, just over $10,000. Why does this work? Because your brain adapts gradually. Going from $0 to $834 overnight feels painful. Going from $400 to $500 feels manageable. Small increases, big results. Same destination. Step 5. Put your savings somewhere it earns. This is the step most beginners skip. While you're building your $10,000, your money should not sit in a standard checking account earning almost nothing. A high-yield savings account can earn 4 to 5% annually in today's market. On $10,000, that's an extra $400 to $500 per year just for parking your money in the right place. It's not investing, it's not risky, it's just smarter parking. Now, here's the part nobody talks about. The math of saving $10,000 is simple. The psychology is where people fall apart. Around month 3 or 4, something happens. The excitement wears off. Progress feels slow. Life throws something unexpected at you, and suddenly that savings feels like a tempting target. So here are 2 rules to protect your progress. Rule 1. Name your savings account. This sounds almost too simple, but research shows that people who name their savings accounts, names like emergency wall, freedom fund, untouchable, withdraw from them significantly less often, because now it's not just money, it has a purpose, and spending it feels like breaking a promise. Rule 2. Never automate withdrawals, only deposits. Make saving easy, make spending from savings hard. Keep your savings in a separate bank if possible. No instant transfer, no debit card attached. A small friction is all it takes to stop an impulse decision from destroying months of progress. So let's bring it all together. Going from $0 to $10,000 in 12 months is not about being perfect. It's not about earning more money overnight. It's about building a system that works even when your motivation doesn't. Here's your realistic roadmap. First, audit your spending and find your wasted money. Second, automate your savings before you can spend it. Third, make one honest cut from your wants list. Fourth, use a savings ladder to increase gradually. Fifth, park your savings in a high-yield account. Sixth, protect it psychologically with a name and friction. 12 months from now, you could be looking at a $10,000 balance and wondering why you didn't start sooner. Because here's the thing about $10,000 in savings. It's not just money, it's options. It's the ability to say no to a bad job. It's the ability to handle an emergency without panic. It's the foundation everything else gets built on. And it starts with one automated transfer. This week, not next month. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more simple money strategies every week. And I'm curious, what has been your biggest challenge when it comes to saving money? Let me know in the comments, because sometimes just naming the obstacle is the first step to getting past it.